You know, they were only balloons. And I would huff and puff and blow them up, tie them off, and they would fall to the ground. They wouldn't fly like everyone else's, like you buy them at the Dollar Tree. The ones that said, "Get well soon." The ones that said, "I love you." The ones that said, "Happy birthday." They just wouldn't take flight. And then someone said to me, "Helium." And I did not understand that. And so I prayed to God. And some magical way, God delivered, like he does every time. And there was a helium. And such being in my thinking, I went to the helium tank and I stuck my lips to it. And I inhaled it. And I blew it in the balloon. That was my thinking. And the balloon just gently went a little slower. See, that was me in my addiction. That was me when I was using drugs. That was the thinking of the day. God was providing the ways and means out. And I would go over there and inhale it rather than go A to B. I had to suffer. The suffering was the magical moment. For those that right now have kids and children that are using, don't bail them out. Let them be pressed and formed. Let them be mended and beaten and molded. Let God do his work for you. It's a tough call. But the day I decided to give it up was the day I decided I was tired of losing. God bless you.